Hello all, welcome to my channel All Saturday CP. So previously as we have seen our wheel got jammed because of which we have changed the brake pad on the left side and that video runs little faster so that I have decided to put this video in some slower motion. So this should have some detailed explanation. So this is for the right side. So as mentioned we have to remove the wheel and then we have to remove this drum. So these are common procedures. For detailed view on how to remove the wheel you can check my another video. I have posted the description here. So we have to remove this drum first. Once we remove, the thing that you see inside is the brake shoe. So remember, for drum brakes we have to call as brake shoe, and for disc brake we will call as disc pad. So for this we have to press and twist. Okay, for both the side brake shoes we have to press and twist. That's the first thing we have to do. With that, the brake shoe gets released. Now it's simple. You have to just pull it out. And while pulling, there will be three springs. So those three springs are the one which connects between two brake shoes. Okay, remove those three springs. Then there is one more wire connecting to this brake shoe, right? That is nothing but our handbrake wire. So that will have a spring mechanism. Just pull and push, that's it. So it comes out. With this we have removed our brake shoe. Okay, the next thing is we have to put it back, but for that we have certain procedure. So this is our brake shoe, new brake shoe. Before that, in one side of the brake shoe, right, if you see, there is one attachment attached to our brake shoe. We have to remove that. For that there will be a binder clip, just a normal binder clip. You have to remove that binder clip. Yes, it came out, and just press it so that it comes out. Okay, now we have to attach this to our new brake shoe. Press a little, and if pressure is not enough you can use something like this to push it. It should move freely, but if you see it is not moving freely in this one. So let us try again. Still it's the same. I don't see it's moving freely. Let's put the binder clip and give a try. No. Still it is very tight. I think we have to put this in the opposite side. I mean the other side of the brake shoe. So we'll put it in the other part that we have, right? In this, let's try. Yes, it fits fine in this one, I believe. We will just tighten. And if you see, yeah, it's moving freely. So this is the right position. Okay. I mean this is the right shoe in which this has to be placed. We'll put the binder clip. Ensure that you just twist this binder clip so that it will not come out. And as usual, just clean your brake shoe a bit. I mean the place with your waste cloth. And once it is done, it's time to place our new brake shoe. Before that, we have to link that to our, I mean we had that handbrake, right? So we have to link that to one of the brake shoe. It's just a spring mechanism. Pull it and just place it. But since being the spring, right, it will keep on pushing you this other side. So what you have to do is you have to hold the spring and press this. So before I press itself, the spring is getting released. That's the problem here. So hold tightly and let's try to put. Yeah, finally it's done. So let's place it in its position. Position is nothing but there is master cylinder, right? The small cylinder at the top, the gray color. So your brake shaft should touch that place, and then you have to put this clip, the same one, push and twist, the same clip. With this brake shoe got locked in its position. That's it. So now what you have to do, you have to put the brake shoe for the other side. So for the other side also we have some small connector. We have to connect it to its position, and then a small spring. Sorry, first a big spring, and then a small spring. So two springs we have to connect first at the top. Okay. Yes. Now we have to place the third string. I mean spring before we push this brake shoe in its position. Now we know the spring effect, right? So with the spring effect we can push this in its position. So all the three springs has been connected and the brake shoe has been placed in its position. So with this we are almost done. So even for this brake shoe you have to place that clip, the same push and twist that clip, push and twist. Yeah, that's it. So we are done with the brake pad change, adjust its position, and then there is some adjuster. So this is the adjuster. So this is the one which pulls and pushes the brake shoe to the drum. So while doing you will get to understand what it is. And now let's clean the drum. In the drum if you see there is a rusted area here. I think I can show you clearly. Okay, so this is the one which caused the issue. So what happens when the water gets clogged and if it gets stuck here, right, it will press the drum and it will not get released, rather it will just get broken. That's what happened in our car right now on that side. So with this we have done all our process. So please ensure that you don't put handbrake after driving through waterlogged area or in rainy season, and even if you put handbrake, ensure that you release it at least 12 hours once so that you will not face this issue. And it's always advisable to stop your car in first gear, so that would prevent these sort of troubles. Okay, so this procedure is common for all the drum brake cars, not only for this car, for any car that has drum brake the procedure is common. Okay, so with this we'll close this video. Thank you all for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.